Welcome to Virtual Estimator. Let me show you how to get started. So you'll notice up here that there are some different drop downs and there's login. Now, if you're already logged in or you have logged in previously, it will come to this login page. However, if you haven't, it will usually go to the sign up page, which I've just clicked. To sign up is really easy. It's just a simple process of putting in your first name, your last name, a username, which can be your business name or a nickname, an email address. Now, it's important to get the email address right because after this, a verification email will be sent to you that you need to be able to verify, otherwise you won't be able to go to the next stage. So put in a password and make sure that you've put in the same password as a check. You can go and look at our terms and agreements and read our privacy policy and what we say about cookies. Then you can click register. Now, once you've clicked register, you need to check your spam folder if it doesn't come directly to your email. You will get a second email which gives you some information about our software or our service. But you need to click the verification email first. Sometimes when people try to log in and they haven't verified, it gives them an error response that their password or their username has been used before or is invalid. You just need to make sure you've clicked on that verification. Once you do that, you enter in your username, not your email address, and then your password, and you click login. Thank you for listening.